Hi. Just like post, here article section is also included. And just like how we manage post on our website, the process for managing article is almost identical. Article are also handled entirely through the admin panel, providing us full control over how they appear on the website. To begin, navigate to the side menu of the admin panel where you will find article section labeled. Upon clicking it, you will see two sub options. One is article category and another is article. Before creating an article, it must be assigned to a category or subcategory, just like with post. On clicking article category, you can manage the article category, create new article category, search existing article category here, existing article category listed here. You can edit or delete the existing article category. Click on edit button for editing the article category. Mobile, like desktop. So set the status. Already in my previous videos, I mentioned that asterisk option is mandatory and other is optionals. Update the category, subdated. Okay. If we want to add new category, then click on add category option, enter the category, mobile, RSS feed URL, just test.com, category description, test purpose, no need to, it's not mandatory, test article, okay, meta keyword, test article, meta description, test this status published, or you can select draft. If you set as a draft, then it's not so in on the website. So let's save category. Okay, here is the RSS feed URL field must be a valid URL. It must be a valid URL. So okay, without URL I've done. Here mobile category is added in the list. Now under the article section, we can click on articles. You can create new article. You can search the existing articles. Here, existing articles list is mentioned below. You can so you can edit or delete the articles. Here, status is published. Okay, you can edit the existing articles. Future done. Update changes. Article here successfully updated. If you want to add new article, then click on new article option. Here also is two option just like post. One is manually added article and second one is article generated by AI. If you want to add manually article, then enter the title, image, content, categories, type, text, window title, meta keyword, meta description, publish status, and submit now. But if you want to generate article by AI, let's generate article, then enter the prompt, latest in mobile. Okay, generate content. If you're not satisfied with the existing content which AI is given, which takes 1 or 2 seconds, okay, then you can enter again prompt and regenerate the content. And if you satisfied with this content, then use content option, okay, and content is used and cut. Then you see that here title, description, everything is filled. Now add the image. For image, it also two option: upload image from device or upload image from AI. You can generate image. The image is generated. Then select category option is mandatory. So in mobile or click on technology category, submit now. Okay, the new article is created. Let's see. Okay, now we can go on website and check article is created or not. Refresh the websites. See, here article is successfully created and so on the screen. And of course, you can edit or delete this article from admin panel as already mentioned in video. That's all about how to manage articles in website.